Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy new listing coin in Binance. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on new listing options on in the screen. Now let's choose first one, just click on it. And you'll be able to see an interface where you can see buy option add button, just click on there. And make sure you have a balance before buying new listing coin. I'm assuming that you have a balance, so enter the amount. Let's say I want to buy worth of 100 USDT. Now finally click on buy on in the screen and you will be able to buy it. So this is how you can buy new listing coin in Binance, and if you still encounter any issue during the buying process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.